In this guide, we are going over how you can get made in heaven here in Bizarre Lineage on Roblox. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Made in Heaven is by far one of the best stands in the entire game, at least right now, but unlocking it does require completing the entire Journey to Heaven questline. First, you're going to need White Snake, and you have to be Prestige 1. You can Prestige in the hospital over here if you just interact with the Archmage over here for about 10,000 coins, and of course, you do have to be level 50 as well. But once your stats confirm and you are level 1 with Prestige 1, go ahead and make sure White Snake is equipped and go to Bus Stop 18. You can actually fast travel to any of these bus stops by just finding one of them and then just fast traveling from there. And once you go ahead and fast travel to Bus Stop 18, you need to go to talk to Pucci inside of the Cultist Castle. Choose the option to attain heaven, and that'll start the Journey to Heaven questline. During the first stage, you have to defeat Okuyasu Prime. You have to win 10 1v1 PvP fights. You have to complete the Jotaro raid, the Dio raid, and you also do have to defeat Kira Bites the Dust as well. And all these have to be completed with an S rank or higher. From here, you do Journey to Heaven 2, where you need to collect 7 Dio bones from chests, which you could just get around the city itself or through the Dio raid. And then you can also go ahead and do Journey to Heaven 3, which is way harder. You have to complete Dio, Jotaro, and Kira 3 times each with the triple S rank. And you also need Dio's Diary, which you can get from the Prestige shop back at the hospital. Or you could also get this at Bus Stop 10, or from Legendary Chest, or even the Dio raid. But once you complete the final stage of the questline, your Sea Moon will evolve into Made in Heaven, and it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.